Welcome, guys. Today, our topic is lipids. That is a major food component as very important part. I have divided this lecture into three parts. So, let's start our lecture. Lipids are best known members of a chemical group called the lipids. The term lipid is applied to a group of naturally occurring substances characterized by their insolubility in water, greasy fields, and solubility in organic solvents like ether, chloroform, benzene, or other fat solvents. The term lipid was first used by the German biochemist Blur in 1943. In normal human subjects, fats constitute between 10 to 15% of body weight. Most of the body fat, means 99%, is stored in the adipose tissues. Fat present in the diet or in human body are in the form of fatty acids, triglycerides, phospholipids, and cholesterol, very common form. Each fat molecule is made up of 4 compounds, 1 alcohol and 3 fatty acids. Here are the list of functions of fats. First one is insulation and padding. Fats are deposited in adipose tissue, subcutaneous tissue, and abdominal cavity. Fats surround the organs and laced throughout muscle tissue. Fats functions like insulating material against cold. Fats protects vital organs against physical injuries by forming a padding around them. Second one, energy. The primary function of fat is to supply energy. It is a very concentrated source of energy. Each gram of fat, when oxidized, yields approximately 9 kilocalories, twice as much energy as 1 gram of carbohydrate or protein. 1 gram of carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalories and 1 gram of protein gives 3.95 kilocalories. Fat especially supply energy in between the meals and during starvation. Its third function is carriers of fat-soluble vitamins. Yes, dietary fat is a carrier of the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and vitamin K. Fat is also necessary for the absorption of vitamin and its precursor carotene. Next, its function is satiety function. Fats improve the palatability of the diet. It slows digestion, resulting in satiety. Satiety is a sense of fullness and satisfaction after eating. In the absence of fats, the food becomes non-palatable. Now, sources of dietary fats. You can gain fat from animal origin and as well as plant origin. From animal origin, you can consume ghee, butter, milk, cheese, eggs, especially egg yolk, and fat of meat and fish. Fats from plant origin include groundnut oil, coconut oil, palm oil, mustard oil, canola oil, sesame oil, and corn oil. It includes all the oil, and these are very healthy fat that you get from plants origin. And other sources are cereals, pulses, oil seeds like sunflower, safflower, soya bean, or cottonseed, rice bran, and leafy green vegetables. Here is the classification of fats. Fats mainly classified into two ways according to biochemical composition and according to nutritional significance. Its biochemical classification of fats, it is classified into three fats: simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids. Simple lipids are defined as those which yield only one or more fatty acid and an alcohol on hydrolysis. For example, fats and oils. These are simple lipids and also known as triglycerides. Compound lipids are those lipids which contain, in addition to fatty acid and glycerol, some other organic compounds such as phosphoric acid, nitrogen base, and sugars and protein. Its examples are phospholipids, sphingolipids, glycolipids, phospholipids, and lipoproteins. The last one is derived lipids. These are the derivatives obtained on the hydrolysis of simple and compound lipids, which possesses the characteristics of lipids. Its examples are fatty acids, mono and diacylglycerols, lipid-soluble vitamins, steroid hormones, and ketone bodies. Here are the list of enzymes that involved in digestion of lipids. First one is lipase. Lipase hydrolyze short and medium chain fatty acids. Gastric lipase, it hydrolyzes long, medium, and short chain fatty acids. Pancreatic lipase, it is major enzyme affecting triglyceride hydrolysis. Colipase, it is protein anchoring lipase to the lipid. Lipid esterase, it is secreted by pancreas, acts on cholesterol esters activated by bile. Phospholipase, they cleave phospholipids and activated by trypsin. Thank you very much. This is all in part 1. If you like, so do not forget to comment and share and subscribe the channel.